Avoid exposed wiring when connecting a bathroom sensor exhaust fan by preparing and securing each conductor so no bare copper is visible and all connections are fully seated. Start by turning off the circuit at the panel and verify power is off with a non-contact tester to be safe. Strip insulation only to the length required by your specific connector, usually about 3/8 of an inch, so there is no extra exposed conductor inside the box. If the sensor or fan has multiple conductors, align and twist like conductors together clockwise so they form a neat, compact bundle before inserting into the connector. For push-in style connectors such as Wago, insert the conductor fully until you feel it seat, and then give a gentle tug to confirm it is locked in place. For lever style, open the lever first, insert, and close to clamp. Inspect each joint under good light to ensure no copper is visible outside the connector body and that insulation sits flush against the entry point to block moisture. Finally, organize the wires in the junction box so they do not pinch or cross the cover. And recheck tightness after initial power-up since thermal cycling can loosen poor terminations. The most common mistake is stripping too much insulation so copper is exposed and at risk in a damp bathroom. Fix this by measuring the required strip length and using a quality wire stripper size to the conductor. Another frequent issue is failing to twist conductors or seating them improperly so the connector holds only partially. Solve that by forming a smooth clockwise twist and performing a firm pull test on each conductor after seating. A third problem is crowding the junction box, which can stress connectors and wires. Remedy this by using the correct box size for the number of conductors or using pigtails to reduce conductor bulk and keep the cover flush. We run bighomeprojects.com where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find new work by listing projects and leads. We also host an active discussion community on the site where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and post photos related to wiring and bathroom exhaust fan installations.